Hello, this is Russell with Granite Property Management. Today we're here at our listing at 4265 East Milky Way. This is in Gilbert, Arizona. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath property with a loft, about 1,500 or more square feet. And you got to come take a look, come check it out. Well, this concludes the tour of our Milky Way property. We hope you enjoyed it. For more information, to schedule a tour or to apply, visit us online at zenrentpm.com or give us a call at 855-ZENRENT, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.